Hi, if you've ever struggled to find the perfect background music or sound effects for your videos, this video is for you. I remember spending hours searching through stock libraries, only to find music that didn't quite fit the mood. That's exactly why I want to show you how to create custom sound effects and instrumental music using CloneVoice AI. With CloneVoice AI, you're not just downloading generic tracks, you're designing music that matches your vision. Inside the platform, there's a powerful feature that lets you generate instrumental background music for things like YouTube videos, ads, corporate content, trailers, or voiceovers. All you do is describe the sound you want. For example, you can type something like motivational corporate music with uplifting instruments, and the AI takes care of the rest. One of my favorite parts is the AI prompt enhancement. With one click, it improves your idea and turns it into a detailed music prompt. You can also choose the length of your track, up to 45 seconds, which is perfect for most videos. And if you want something longer, you can easily generate multiple tracks and merge them together. You can even guide the AI using specific instruments like drums, guitar, or violin, so the music fits the emotion and pacing of your content perfectly. Whether you're creating cinematic energy, calm background vibes, or powerful motivational beats, CloneVoice AI makes it fast, simple, and creative. This is one of those tools that completely changes how you approach audio for your content, and once you try it, it's hard to go back.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to create sound effects using CloneVoice AI. So the sound effects feature is located under the Create Sound Effects feature. And when you click on that, it's going to show you here, Design New Sound. What this does, it allows you to create instrumental music, background music, trailer music, corporate beats, that kind of stuff. So for example, if I wanted to create, for instance, corporate motivational music, okay, instrumental. So you can say motivating corporate music with uplifting instruments. Okay, let's say, and then you can click on this little icon which says enhance prompt with AI, and then you can enhance it. So it'll give a little bit more, like a little bit more enhancement. And then you can just choose the duration. So as you can see here, we can go up to 45 seconds. That's where it's a sweet spot to generate perfect background score music. And of course, you can merge multiple using the merger feature once the initial audio is done, if you wanted to create more longer length, if you wish, with similar prompting structure. Okay, so if that is something you're interested in, but either way, this is more than enough in 99% of the cases anyway. All right, so now click generate sound at 20 seconds, let's say. And then it's going to start doing its thing. Let's play it. Pretty cool, right? So what I wanted to show you is you can even do it based on instruments. For example, if I go back here, and then you can say, for example, same thing, but with different instruments. So for example, you can say drum, corporate music, let's say, and then you can say like same thing, motivational corporate music using drums as the main instrument, let's say. Okay, you get my point? And then you can then enhance it. It'll do its thing to write it properly, and then you see this. Or alternately, same thing, motivational corporate music using a guitar or violin. Okay, you get the point. The idea is because it's instrumental in nature, it'll focus on that instrumental. Okay, does that make sense? Acoustic guitar chord, strong with optimism, you get the point. And then you can then generate it. So that's the beauty here, where you can generate background score music and any kind of very exciting theatrical style, for example, trailer style music. You get the point. Very useful for videos which require that kind of for example, exciting or even, monotonous music, let's say, for example, where in some cases the violin music or violin beats might create the pacing, right, for a video or for a project, even voiceovers in many cases. When you use voiceovers, we add a little bit of background score to it then, right? So that's the idea here in being able to create that energetic or motivational, or just create the pacing and the environment for your audios or videos, voiceovers, and that sort of thing. So that's how easy this feature is to use. Look forward to seeing you in other training videos.